Dongguan Vivasd Hardware Products Company Limited, Precision CNC Machine Parts, was founded in 2011 and is located in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province. The location is excellent and the transportation is convenient. We have very rich industry experience and is a trusted supplier. The company has advanced production equipment and skilled frontline employees. Our company makes CNC machining parts, CNC parts, custom parts by drawings or samples. Our company knows that the development of the company depends on the innovation and quality of the products. Therefore, our products have strict quality control from the procurement of raw materials to the sale of finished products. The company has established a quality management system that meets the requirements of the International Quality Management System. The company continuously releases the original innovations according to the market and customer needs. The company wants the customer's thoughts and urgency. Solving problems for customers and meeting customer needs is our eternal pursuit. Our company's products are sold worldwide. The company has won the unanimous recognition of consumers with satisfactory product quality and perfect after-sales service. We have a professional R&D team. We can accept OEM. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We are looking forward to receiving your inquiry soon.